Hi guys, just picked up another vape. Yeah, come to this car park because we're in the dry. It's relatively smooth, so we'll try that latest cam that I did. It's supposed to do a figure eight. It doesn't do a figure eight, but it does make life look interesting. So we'll give it a try here where it's relatively flat. It doesn't spend enough time on the right, does it? It looks like it's going to do a figure of eight and then it changes its mind. It's staying within a relatively small area, just too big to go in my conservatory. I think I should have put the camera on it this time. That's one of the simplest cams on there as well. It is just a circle offset. I think that'll do. Yeah, you need a little bit longer right, try and balance it up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.